The Prophet ﷺ said, there is no Muslim servant who says 3 times in the morning and 3 times in the evening, رَضِيتُ بِاللَّهِ رَبًّا وَبِالْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا وَبِمُحَمَّدٍ صَلَى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ نَبِيًّا. I am pleased with Allah as my Rabb, and with Islam as my religion, and with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as my prophet. Except that Allah will certainly please him on the Day of Judgment. What does it mean being pleased with Allah as our Rabb? This isn't just a statement. رَضِيتُ بِاللَّهِ رَبًّا. I am pleased with Allah as my Rabb. This has to be embodied in action. رَضِيتُ بِاللَّهِ رَبًّا وَبِالْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا. Part of being pleased with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as your Rabb, as your Lord, as your nurturer, as your owner, as your sustainer, as your governor, as your master, is being pleased with the religion He has obligated upon you. Meaning you are pleased with whatever is halal and whatever is haram. When you come across an ayah of the Quran and it says something is haram, you say, I am pleased with Allah as my Rabb. Therefore, I'm pleased with this ruling. And you are pleased with the Prophet ﷺ. What this means is you are pleased with the Sunnah. So if you come across a hadith that the Prophet ﷺ commands you to do something, you say, I will obey that command because I'm pleased with Allah as my Rabb and Islam as my deen and with Muhammad ﷺ as my prophet. This is the type of person that Allah promises to please on the Day of Judgment.